Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Foods 101. Today we're going to cover spirulina, banana, aloe, and lime and create the gorgeous mermaid blender. First, let's trim the meat out of a big piece of aloe. Trim off any bad and then throw that little chunk in with ice. Next, let's peel and chop up an overripe banana and throw that in the blender. Next, peel and chop a whole lime or lemon if you don't have any lime. Then a teaspoon of spirulina powder. And finally, a cup of good water and sweetener to taste. And while it blends, let's learn 7 beauty benefits of the Mermaid blender. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. This has been Beauty Foods 101.